Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the word abolish. So the word abolish basically means to put an end to something, and we usually use the word abolish for things like laws or taxes or certain practices basically. So for example, if we were to abolish a tax on inheritance, for example, that means that the tax would no longer have to be paid on money that's inherited from older relatives. We often also use the word abolish in its noun form, which is abolition. So for example, if you're talking about history, that the American Civil War was fought over the abolition of the slave trade. That's maybe the most famous example of the use of the word abolition. In terms of synonyms for abolish, we can also use, in a casual sense, we can say get rid of something or to scrap something. In a more formal sense, we would say simply to put an end to something in general. And then in terms of antonyms, so in terms of opposite sort of words, we would usually use sort of retain or to keep. So should we abolish inheritance tax or should we retain inheritance tax would be sort of opposite sort of sides of an argument. So that's how we tend to use the word abolish. Thanks for listening and see you next time.